Hello everyone, in this practicum I'll be explaining a simple C program that checks whether a sample is healthy or mutated based on its mutation frequency value. In genetics and biotechnology, mutation frequency refers to the proportion of mutated cells or gene in a sample. If this value is very low, the sample is considered normal or healthy. But if it's higher than a certain threshold, it indicates a possible mutation. This program automates that decision making process using conditional logic in C. Let's go through the code line by line. The first line is the header file, which helps us to use the printf and scanf. Next is the main function. Inside the main function, I've declared the variable. Here we declare a floating point variable called mutation frequency. We use the float data type because mutation values are often decimals. Next is taking input from the user. The first line displays a message asking the user to enter a value. The scanf statement reads the decimal number entered by the user and stores it in the variable. And the AND symbol means we are giving the memory address where the value should be stored. Next is the decision making using if else condition. If the mutation frequency is less than 0.05, the program prints healthy. Otherwise, it prints mutated. So this line represents our threshold. 0.05 acts as the cutoff between normal and abnormal genetic variation. Next is the return statement. This statement ends the program and returns control back to the operating system. For example, I've given the mutation frequency as 0.03 and it has printed healthy. The program reads a float input for mutation frequency. It uses an if else condition to compare it with the threshold frequency 0.05. Finally, it prints whether the sample is healthy or mutated. Thank you.